So our missing burner control knob is located right here. You can see that just the shaft is sticking out. So next we're going to grab our new OEM replacement knob. If you don't have one of these knobs already, you can find one on our online store. We're going to line up the shaft of the knob onto the shaft out here. And we're just going to push it in so it lines up properly. We should hear a click. We're going to move the knob to make sure that it fits on properly. And once the knob is on, your replacement is complete. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment, or share. And if you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel.